Within Salesforce, when you query content document links, you natively have to filter by an ID of either the content document ID or the linked entity ID. From the Winter 24 release, you can use the Query All Files permissions to work around this. Navigate to Salesforce Setup and go to Permission Sets. From here, you want to create a new permission set. Once you're happy, press Save and then go into App Permissions. From here, we want to assign the Query All Files permission. Let's save our changes and now let's assign this permission. And now let's run our query again. So now you can see that we've successfully queried the content document links without a filter. If we wanted to enhance this, we could query by all fields instead to get more useful information out of the system. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and add any feedback in the comments. Thanks.